Hello and welcome to the Master Spawny channel. I will be showing you a guide of how to get shiny Mesprit. You have to come here after you get a few gym badges to Jubilife City. Jubilife City, yes. You go in here. You'll see this guy on the right. Speak to him and he'll give you this device I have on the top right. And if you speak to him after other gym badges, he'll give you other tools as well. After you completed the Dialga, Palkia, got past that or before it, you should be able to get that device and go on your hunt to any of the legendaries. Right now we're doing Mesprit, so we're going to fly down here. To Route 201. Ready Lakefront. Lake Verity. Alright, once you get in this cave, there's a few tips and tricks I would love to show you that will be time savers to make it much more simpler. Before you do this, make sure you have a Pokemon with False Swipe. Any abilities like Sleep, Paralyze would be handy as well. My Pokemon setup is Gengar, has Mean Look, and I also have the Pokemon Wobbuffet. It has the ability Shadow Tag, so if you have this Pokemon out, it'll prevent it from running away, and there's other Pokemon that do that. With the Arena Trap ability, so if you have like a Trapinch or something, with that ability it helps as well. And you want to have your starter Pokemon under level 50 for the Repel to work. And here are the tips that I have to save your time. What you want to do is make sure you have your device out set to this map. And then step number 2, make sure your party's ready. Step 3, have Quick Balls or Master Ball. You want to try to Quick Ball it every time you see it. In step 4, make sure you have Town Map and the bag icon right next to it, so when you get to that location, you can easily go to bag and use Repel right away, and it'll save you so much time instead of going all the way to the right, left, wherever the bag is. It's such a time saver to have it right next to the town map. So what you want to do is save here. Do not save after it. If you save after it, you'll mess up the progress. Once you speak to Mesprit, it'll determine if it's shiny or not. It will fly in a random direction on the map. You'll speak to Professor Rowan. Have fast text on, of course. Make sure autosave is turned off as well. You don't want it to accidentally autosave. And once you have the location on your map, head to Jubilife City. Head to this location above it to Route 204 and just go back and forth between the city and 204 until you have it in the path above you. Okay. When it's here and you go up, it's going to teleport. What you want to do is make sure it's in the top part before you go up to guarantee it's going to be in this spot. there's a cave above it, so if it's a little bit above this route, it's not going to be in the grass nodes there. So you want it to be like near the area around this part and have a chance to teleport here. Or if it's a little bit above and you walk in it, it's going to be most likely guaranteed to be in that spot. So it's going to teleport again once I walk up, walk down, walk up, down, and boom. Now you should see it right there in that location. This is where you want it. Once it's there, do not save. Go to bag. Use a repel. Any is fine. Make sure your Pokemon is under level 50 for your starter for it to work with the repel. And then you'll have the encounter. And if it's not shiny, you can reset your game. And if you wanted to practice, like quick ball, your strategy, how to take it and capture it, just to test the waters with the DPS, the damage, make sure you have like a good setup for it. You can practice on the non-shinies, just make sure not to have autosave on, and make sure not to save before this. And reset the game when you're done. And you'll be back here. And this is how you do the shiny hunt for Mesprit. It is quite annoying, but these tips and tricks that I've provided to you will make it a little bit faster. Like little things like that. Having the bag there, having the map up so you don't have to switch it every time you get there. Make sure to have quick balls on hand, because once it's shiny, I think you can save. And it's going to be forever shiny every time you chase it. So you can just quick ball it, let it run away, quick ball it if you feel like doing that. And I hope this guide helped you. Make sure to check out my Twitch down in the link below. Thumbs up, subscribe if you want. And I'll be trying to provide more tips and tricks, guides in the future. And I will see you next time.